I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, guys, welcome back to Night's Kitchen. Okay, so I hope everyone out there is staying safe. So today in Night's Kitchen, what we're gonna be showing you to prepare is jerk chicken, authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it in the oven. So what I've got here is my chicken, leg and thigh. Okay, leg quarter, as they would call it. So clean, as they can say, inside clean, wash. Okay. And I'm gonna season my jerk chicken now. So I've got here is my all-purpose. Just gonna season up some all-purpose on it. Put some all-purpose on the chicken. And if you notice, I'm wearing a glove just to make sure I rub the seasoning in properly. And guys, don't worry. I'll put up the recipe. For this portion, I'm just doing 3 thighs, leg and thigh. That's about it. And then I'm gonna add paprika to it. Guys, best to wear gloves when doing this because you want to really mix it in. Okay? And what I've got here is my jerk chicken. This one was prepared by me. I made my own homemade jerk sauce or jerk seasoning, and I'm gonna pour a portion of it over the chicken. Okay? Then rub that in. Wow, fly out. Chicken and fly out. I'm gonna put a little bit more over it, guys. You don't want too much, you don't want it too hot. Just want it nice. So I'm not gonna prepare this now, so I'm just getting it ready. And then I'm gonna put that back in the fridge to go and marinate. So I give that about few hours because I'm not doing it now, I'm doing it later on in the afternoon. And guys, if you want to prepare it 24 hours before, it's up to you. Have it ready before you actually start cooking it. Okay? And as I said before, I'm going to show you how to do it in the oven. Okay? And then I'm going to show you how to do it on the grill, on the job at some point. Okay, but now I'm showing you how to do it in the oven. So this is for people out there who want to just do it at home. Okay. Yes, guys. So the chicken has been there for quite a few hours, and now it's ready. I'm ready to set it off in the oven. So I'm just gonna put the chicken straight onto the tray, oven tray. Okay. There's a bit of stuff left in the bottom. I'm just gonna add it to it. Wash my hands quickly. Guys, I'm just gonna, after I put the chicken onto the tray, just gonna add a bit of foil paper over it. This is just to allow the chicken to soak quickly, cook quickly. We're not gonna leave it on there too long. The oven, you can set your oven at number 5 if it's a gas, or about 180, 190 degrees. And once you add your chicken in there, you just leave it for about 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare your jerk chicken in your oven at home. Okay? Yes guys, so I'm about to remove the foil paper from the chicken. It's been in there for about 15-20 minutes. Here we go. So I've removed the foil paper, and as you can see there's a lot of juice from the chicken. Okay, if I use a fork and test that, you can see fork can go straight through, so the chicken is basically soaked already. So all we need now to do is just brown off. I'm going to remove a bit of the water from the tray. Tip some of the water off and then just put it straight back into the oven. Okay? Okay guys. So that's been in there for about 20 minutes going. So I'm just checking on the chicken. Lovely, it's coming on nice. See, it's browning off nicely now. Looking like jerk, also smell like jerk guys. Not jerk, but jerk chicken. So I'm just going to put that back straight in the oven, but I'm just checking on it. So you must always check on your stuff in the oven. Okay? Okay guys. I'll be moving my chicken now to the top of my oven, where is I'm just going to turn and just put it on grill. And then just leave it to just finish brown off like that. Yes guys, so I'm just going to check the chicken now. Yes, coming up nicely. So my oven is on the grill setting, so I'm just gonna turn these and let these get this. Turn them over, let them start brown on the opposite side. And once you turn them guys, straight back into the oven. Yes guys. So there you go. Chicken turn over the other side. You can see. Nice color now, it's catch a color as well. So I'm just going to flip them back over to the side they're on first. Okay. And as you can see, it's almost there. The chicken is still juicy. I haven't let it dry out too much. So it's not dried out. Nice and juicy. So now it's on that side, I'm just going to insert it straight back into the oven. And as I said before guys, I put it on the grill. It's now on the grill. So I set the oven on grill now. All I need now is another 10-15 minutes, and then I'll show you the finishing product, what it looks like. Chicken is ready now. So I remove it from the oven and turn the oven off. Make sure everything is turned off. And guys, you see? So this is my jerk chicken oven, from the oven. So as you see, it's nice and juicy. I haven't let it dry out too much. See, both sides cook nicely. So as you can see, yeah. And guys, this can be served with, traditionally Jamaica we love it with bread. Jerk chicken and bread. You know? Or you can have it with salad or anything you wish. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So there you go. So that's my jerk chicken. Okay? Oven jerk. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, and hit the notification button for loads more video coming. So thanks for watching, and let me know anything you need Knight's Kitchen to prepare. Let me know. We can always prepare it, you know. There's no limit to what we can do. So again, stay safe and bless up.